Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you Mercari sellers out there. How to bundle items effectively in 2025. If you're new here, Mercari is a popular online marketplace where you can buy and sell all sorts of stuff, from clothes to electronics, and bundling is a smart way to make your listings more appealing and boost your sales. Let's jump right in. First off, why bundle? Bundling lets you combine multiple items into one offer, often at a discounted price, which encourages buyers to purchase more from you. It's a win-win. It helps you move inventory faster and gives shoppers a great deal. To get started, make sure you have a Mercari account set up and some items ready to list. Step 1. List your items individually. Go to the Mercari app or website, tap on Sell, and create listings for each item you want to bundle. Be detailed with your descriptions, add clear photos, and set a fair price. Once your items are live, head to the bundling feature. In 2025, Mercari has made this even easier with updated tools. Look for the Bundle option in your seller dashboard or when viewing your listings. Step 2. Select the items you want to bundle. You can choose from your active listings and group them together. For example, if you're selling a shirt and a pair of jeans, bundle them as an outfit deal. Set a bundled price that's lower than buying them separately to sweeten the pot. Step 3. Promote your bundle. Use Mercari's sharing features to post on social media or send offers to interested buyers. Remember, communication is key. Respond quickly to messages and be open to negotiations. A few pro tips. Keep your bundles themed, like all clothing or tech gadgets, to attract the right audience. Offer extras like free shipping for bundles over a certain amount, and always check Mercari's guidelines to avoid any issues. By 2025, with more AI integration, you might even get personalized bundle suggestions. Wrapping this up, bundling on Mercari is a fantastic way to stand out in a crowded marketplace and increase your earnings. Give it a try on your next sale and see the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your bundling success stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.